And Ulinzi Starlets are the 2023 Football Kenya Federation Super Cup champions. Starlets retained the title they won in 2021 after edging out reigning FKF Women's Premier League champions Vihiga Queens in 2-0 in the finals played on Saturday at Utalii College. Joy King Lady gave the FKF Cup champions a narrow 1-0 halftime lead before Mercy Airo sealed the title with the second goal in the 58th minute.
Ningependa kushukuru Mwenyezi Mungu pia kwa kutulinda, kutukinga na kutuwezesha kuwini cup kwa mara ya pili. Ukikumbuka bado wao ndio wametuwakilisha kwa Sekava, it is a good team, na winning against Vihiga ni morali kubwa, na nafikiria wachezaji wangu pia itawapea morali kubwa sana tukielekea kuanza ligi next week.
Tumecheza tu game yetu vizuri kulingana na venye tulikuwa tumepanga, but lucky imekuwasaidia Ulinzi na ni poa sababu ndio ligi nataka ianze. Hasa ni changamoto kwetu, lazima tuwork kwa timu yetu vizuri, tuende turekebishe mahali tumekosea. Bado weekend tunapatana nao na sisi lengo letu ni tukishinda ligi ndio itakuwa sawa kwetu. So I think hii ni kama tu motivation kwetu. Lazima tukae chini pamoja tumotivate wachezaji wetu kwa the next match.
Congratulations to the ladies. Now, the first edition of Nairobi Mini Games was held today at Juja Preparatory in Kiambu County. The event, which attracted more than 15 schools from Nairobi and Kiambu counties, featured different sports disciplines including Taekwondo. According to the organizers, the one-day competition was meant to tap budding talents at the grassroots level.
I love playing Taekwondo because it's a very interesting game, and it's also a part of exercising, and it also helps your body.
When I first discovered Taekwondo is in our schools, I was excited to join, but I thought that we're gonna be given the uniform alone.
When I was young, I used to love doing acrobats, but my mother saw that instead let me do Taekwondo. So that's my talent. I love doing Taekwondo from now. Yeah.
When I first saw Taekwondo, I was interested in it. Then it just happened.
When we are in class, when you teach them, let's say, the basic tactics or something, you will be able to see who is able to do it better than others because of how they will do it. You will see one kicking right, listening to you when you tell them how to kick or punch, and that is basically everything.
This event is very, very key to one of the plans that we have to take Taekwondo to the next level, and our key goal is actually to tap into the talent that we have, which of course these mini games, in fact we call them international mini games, to give them a brand first of all, and then our major intention is to actually tap into the talent, especially for the kids within the